All right, canvas down first. Got to fight the wind. Solid anchor points needed. Almost there. Secure the last stake. That's good. Now to get the gear inside, it's getting colder. All right, legs unfolded, grates aligned. Time to connect the exhaust.
И побот как? Може, що вощі по локіту, я сидів, які по лощі. Може, да, смотри, можна, і мосики продосить, то мощне, що я десь підставляв тут.
All right, chimney's done. Just needs to go through the roof jack now.
Nice work, looking good.
Almost there, ready for some warmth.
Влапили не ракоту.
Ah, that's what I needed after all that wind. The stove's roaring now. Just some hot water and I'll be right.
Jetzt da hot water. Ja. Nu har jag oss nämligen kvar.
All right, the titanium sheets are out. Need to get this chimney ventilation sorted before the ice storm hits. Sounds like that snow's almost ready to boil, Arthur.
All right. Steady, steady. Need this perfectly flat. Just a few more adjustments.
I'll just secure this insulation barrier around the pipe to retain the heat. Oh, that'll make a big difference for the temperature inside here tonight. All right, that should do it. Got to get the water melting. All right, that seal needs to be tight. Oh, give it another good push just to be sure. Yeah, that feels solid now. Good.
Time to warm up this tea.
Сейчас поплан Петероту кружила спа. Учи здесь киритила тостого гожоя. Наставна, чтобы аж нактясь, кто вот так.
The snow is falling beautifully tonight. Just need to get this kindling inside so we can get that fire going. It'll be warm in no time. All right, this knot is a stubborn one. Just need to trim it down. Keep pushing through, getting close. Time to get this fire going. These logs should do the trick.
Ну, ustabrūnis nustaštovo, ali, tai štorleka, odu zadiem na tec pliškom pastavalo kravjajca, tu buvo članem.
I've got the pot centered now. The heat is intense. Soon we'll have a hot meal. Ah, that's just right. Perfect for a night like this. Ah, that fire feels good. Just what I needed. The fire's warmth feels good against the cold. Just what I needed.